Hello guys, I have a new section. I draw animation inspired by Naruto. So I recently saw these beautiful frames and decided that I also want to draw a similar ball. So let's go. First, we will draw a sketch. I draw a circle. For the perfect shape, we hold the pencil in place and tap on the screen. To align it in the center, I turn on Drawing Guide, click Edit, and set up the grid. Now we start the animation. I turn on Animation Assist. I set the circle as the background. In the settings, I set frames per second to 12 and onion skin frames to 1. I add transparency to the circle. Now I will draw the first tentacle. At this point, I don't care if the outline is even, I just need to sketch the movement. The tentacle will move from left to right. Where it crosses the circle's border, I add more frames. Then the tentacle will move behind the circle. I use animation from Naruto to make the movements similar. So here's a preview of the first tentacle. I like it. Now let's move on to the first frame. Now I add the second tentacle. It starts right behind the circle and moves from right to left. About the moment when the first tentacle is on the right border of the circle, we draw the second one on the left border of the circle. And now I draw a tentacle in the foreground. How do you like the preview? Now we move on to the cleanup stage. I take the monoline brush, which I have already set up. I immediately set the background color. Now I draw a new layer with a perfect circle that repeats our background. I fill it with white and add transparency. I can delete the old circle. Now I group the new circle with the first frame. I create a new layer in this group and draw the first tentacle to have a perfect outline. Now I need to do this for each layer. We duplicate the circle, group it with the next frame on a new layer, and draw the tentacle. We can speed up this routine work. So when we reach the moment when the tentacle moves to the back of the circle, we add a new layer already under the circle layer. We repeat this for the remaining frames. Let's see the preview. Now we repeat the same for the second tentacle. I draw it on a separate layer. After that, in the group, we can turn off or delete the layer with the draft. Let's speed up. Let's see the preview. So, in the animation from Naruto, there are also splashes at the bottom, so I decided to add them too. For this, on a new layer for each frame, I draw random rays. I don't pay much attention to smoothness, as in this case, jerky animation is appropriate. Let's see the preview. You can compare my animation with the reference. So, I got a looped animation inspired by the animation from Naruto. Do you think it's similar in something? Also, let me know if you are interested in such a section and if I should continue it. Thank you for watching. See you.